So I'm Jack Norris, I'm Vice President of Marketing at MapR Technologies. MapR Technology is the leader in the Hadoop technology. We've got a broad platform to provide a range of capabilities and really enterprise-grade features for Hadoop. So the big data space is basically a paradigm shift of how companies do storage and compute together. And it's really opening up the types of analytics, the types of applications that are possible. MapR, we've really focused on deep innovations to provide the broadest, most enterprise-grade platform in the industry. So capabilities like full data protection, complete HA, the ability to integrate Hadoop with industry or through industry standard APIs, multi-tenancy, and really exceptional performance and scale. So the biggest trend that we see is companies are moving out of the test phase, trying to figure out what is Hadoop and what can it do for their organization, and moving into production. When you move into production, things like, what's my SLA? How do I maintain high availability? How do I make sure that any administrator can be successful in administering and using Hadoop? How do I unleash my developers at this? All those are key capabilities and key requirements that drive MapR unique features. Yeah, so in terms of differentiating, MapR has some unique capabilities. So we're the only Hadoop distribution that provides full data protection. We're the only ones with snapshots. We're the only ones with mirrors. We're the only ones with standard NFS access. And what does that mean? It means instead of treating Hadoop like a batch-oriented scratch pad, you can have a system of record, have a huge, basically analytic and storage platform that is completely protected, completely available, and supports things like real-time streaming. So one of the trends we see is moving from batch to real-time, and a lot of focus on what are the real-time capabilities, real-time analytics. With MapR, we've moved beyond the append storage layer that works like a CD-ROM. It's complete dynamic read-write and allows organizations to mount and stream data in and get analysis directly out. Probably the biggest announcement has been our M7 platform. So we've really redefined NoSQL on Hadoop and made HBase enterprise grade. So any organization using HBase today has really familiar with things like compactions and manual table operations. And it's difficult to have a stack work effectively on Hadoop because of how it's structured. Basically, you have HBase running on Java, storing information in the distributed file system that's running on Java that's storing it in Linux. It's a very complex organization, complex architecture. With MapR, we've streamlined that completely. And you've got files and tables together in the same data platform running directly and writing directly to disk. What that means, much higher performance, a lot easier administration, and for the developers, they've got files and tables together and can elegantly use those in their operations.